my final question on this topic about Iran, Israel, and America with you is that if you just see the events of last 2 months, like our region, as I said, was at the cusp of one of the worst conflicts that we could have ever faced, whether it was the Iran and Israel matter or the Pakistan and India matter, both initiated by regimes that are considered to be very irresponsible in terms of human rights, in terms of governance, and in terms of making sure there is regional stability. One being Narendra Modi's RSS backed Hindutva ideology government, and the other being the Zionist government ran by Benjamin Netanyahu. So, with irresponsible governments like these, do you expect that the world could get any long-term stability, or we'll continue to pass through phases like these?
It's not my statement, it's a statement of Donald Trump. Once he mediated between India and Pakistan, he passed such remarks. And there are so many think tanks, they have already discussion. They have been modeling by the scientists, if two nuclear states like India and Pakistan, if they come to the flashpoint, what would happen to the entire world? Leaving aside the two countries, they clash, the entire world would be impacted. And just in the next 30 seconds, I'll give you the account of it, how the world is impacted. According to the scientific modeling, the scientist who is a professor in Colorado, they have done the modeling